Hello everybody. Today I am going downstairs and washing my clothes. I don't like the machines down there, but yes, I'm going to wash my clothes and I may wash my blankets. Today you see I'm going to use Foca. I have some in this container and I'm going to pour it in this container. So I've been looking online and people have been saying that you don't even have to use that much Foca when you wash the clothes. So I'm gonna pour some of this back. I'm gonna do 2 loads, big loads. And I'm gonna use this much for both loads, just to see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so I will take y'all into the laundry room with me. All right. Good morning. So everybody, these are my clothes that I wash. This blanket stays with lint on it, so you have to ignore this one, okay? Okay, so this came nice and clean. My other blanket. My clothes are very bright. They look very clean. The reason why I was trying to use less laundry detergent, because y'all know I break out very easily. My hand is broken out real bad right now. So I was looking online and they were saying, you know, don't use so much laundry detergent in the HE machine. So y'all, let me tell you the truth about it. You see the clothes look very clean? Honestly, some of the underclothes don't smell that clean. Okay, that's just what the truth is. But the other clothes are nice and clean. They smell fresh. So what I will do next time is I will have a load with just the underclothes and I will add a little more soap to those, but the rest of them, you know, Foca doesn't really have much of a smell, the powdered one. But your clothes will smell clean, and that's what I like. Sometimes I just want a plain, clean smell. But your underclothes, you want to add a little more. My bath cloths are pretty clean, okay? But I still don't like the HE machines, y'all. I don't think they clean as well as the other ones. And the machines in my building stay broken down every week. The dryers too. They are broken down a lot. And last week, I went down there to wash, and there was only one machine working. One washing machine. And I think 2 dryers. Okay, so somebody needs to come up with something better or go back to the old machines, because this is just, it doesn't make any sense. And they are new machines and they stay broken down a lot. The place where I was living before was the same old story with the HE machines. They're not made that well. Okay. So I know I haven't been up here for a while, so I decided to give you a video, and I will be trying out some other laundry detergents, y'all. But yes, it looks nice and clean, nice and bright. That's one good thing about not using too much soap. Okay, look how clean that is. The blankets. Okay, y'all, so thanks for watching. All right, bye.